Start the revolving. Lazarte.
Same goal.
12 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 9 to number 36. And out. Single. Last touch on Blackwood. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Here is Completa to number 25. Back to number 25.
Good.
Rebound shot. Ready to Lazarte. Lazarte. Signaling the play. He wants a man in the middle. Chan, balik kay Lazarte. Fires. Rebound Chavez. Here's number 8. Yap. 18 rather. Yap. Out to ball. In the middle. Chavez. Basket is good. 2 points for number 2. 2-0, our official score with 8 minutes and 39. Remaining the first, Lazarte sing across the play. Lazarte. Chan. Sa ilalim, number 83. Nakuha ni number 80. 3 on number. Yap. Yap. All the way to 2. 4-0. Lazarte. Number 83. Officials a foul.
18.
On number 18, Yap. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Two free throws for number 83. Second throw, in and out, 0 out of 2. Offensive rebound, number 7. Olangola, turnover. Here is Yap. Yap, signals the play. Binigay sa gitna, number 25. And the pass out, 2 points for number 23. Credit assist to number 25, making the tally 6-0. 7-44 in the first. Lazarte. Chan. 6-3, our official tally with 7.5 remaining in the first. 15 to shoot, here's Yap. Over to number 25. 7 to shoot. Now, number 7. Number 7, Lazarte. Isa na lang ng 40s. Goal. 15 to shoot. Yap. Nugget. But there is a loose ball foul.
23.
23. That is his first personal foul, second team foul.
Walang offensive team foul, di ba? Kulang. Kaya nga, walang offensive foul, di ba? Ng team foul. Ha? Di ba?
6 minutes and a half.
Ay, wala pala.
Number 36. Montillano. Noe. Noveza. Lead pass to Yap. Over the goal. Loses the basketball. 15 to shoot. Camo. Camo. 9-5. Out of water. Laman ng 40s. Lazarte. He wants a man in the middle. Sa ilalim. A pass. Turnover. Here's Camo. Camo the mid-line. He stops from the 3-point range. No. Rebound, Liwa. Lasante, Chan. Chan. Sa ilalim, number 36. Yes, sir. 2 points. 9-7. 5.5 remaining in the first. Goal. Bigan tumira. Rebound, number 36. Lead pass to Lasante. Lasante. No. Put that 2 to number 36. All 9. Ang official score. Yup. 15 to shoot. Rebound Lasante. Lasante. Tugutiliano. No good. Change players. Change players.
23. Second.
Number 23, that is his second personal foul, 13 foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul rather. 2 free throws awarded to number 7, Mutiliano. Basket is good for the first for Mutiliano.
Kailangan niya si Calvo sa series.
Basket is good for Mutiliano. Change player. Official score 11-9. Lamang ng dalawa ang Brothers. Garcia. Basket is good for number 19. 11 all. With 4 minutes and a half remaining in the first. Andaya. Andaya. 14-11. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Brothers. 4 minutes and 18. Garcia signals to play. It was Ron. Sa gitna. Sakap. Sa ilalim. Ron. Tantonesi. Valdezero. 2 points. Number 2.
For technical, number 92.
92.
Proper.
Warning for number 92 for not tucking in the jersey.
Improper.
Improper uniform. De Guzman. De Guzman. Nakita ang pasa. Andaya gets the loose ball. Nicely pass. Agaw. Garcia. Garcia, derecho. Uwaru. But there is a foul.
Number 2.
Foul on number
2.
2.
First.
That is his first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for number 14, Garcia.
Jay, malakas yung team na nabuo nyo? Next season, January? Ha?
Ay, buto, nag-MP pala to. Ano yung jersey nyo? Hindi naglalaro yun.
Tama ka trabaho nyo?
We're on the second. 16-13.
Parang yung jersey.
3 minutes and 14. Andaya. Playing point guard for Brothers.
Patrick nga, may
Valdezero.
swipe pa kami jersey.
Andaya, 15
Yung logo
issue.
ng team namin,
Ah.
hindi ba yung coach?
Agaw.
Bakit hindi ko?
De Guzman.
Yung iba tama.
Garcia. Garcia behind the back. Number 19, Rock. Good defense by Ole Ole.
Kawawa yung bumo.
15 issue. Sa gitna. Sangka.
Binayaran niya pa rin.
No good. Rebound sa top. Second try is good.
Tama lang yun.
16-15. Isa lang. Valdezero. Valdezero. 2.5 remaining. De Guzman. De Guzman signals to play. 15 to
Ito ang
shoot.
bata eh.
No good. Lead pass. Valdezero. Number 2. Mamuman. up with the board. De Guzman. 2 minutes. Short. Rebound ng Naya. Lead pass Baldicer. What is he gonna do? Baldicer.
Galing! Galing!
18 to 15. Panalawang Palawangan Brothers with a minute and 38 in the first quarter. Number 19 and number 5 to number 47. There is 3! 18 all, a minute and 26. Makabat. Agaya. Ole, 15 to shoot. Sa ilalim. Makabat. 2 points. Nothing but net. 20 to 18. Dalawang Kalamangan. The Brothers with a minute and 5. Younger, Riva Lagaya. Baseball pass.
Bilis oh!
Mag-isa, Mag-isa. Yes sir. 22-18. Garcia.
Pati babad nila yun eh.
Drives. Runner is good for the Guzman. 22-20. Just a 1 possession bogey. Anaya. Lakaba. Jumper. Is Buell off the glass. 24-20. With 25 seconds remaining. Turning up the shot clock. De Guzman. Back pass. But there's a foul.
92.
On number 92.
Warning nga, warning ko technical na.
Technical na yung wala. Technical na, nag-warning siya kanina. Kasi sa jersey.
May warning siya, okay, technical tayo.
Technical foul on number 92 for warning off.
Second.
Number 92, that is his second personal foul. Technical free throw, order to number 40, Garcia. Good on the technical free throw is Garcia. Garcia. End of the first quarter. Official score is 24-21 in favor of Brothers.
Sakit ng technical na yun ah. Sakali ako na yan.
500.
Hands po.
500 yun.
Ito yung dapat talaga. Abo na to. Sabi daw, tutungan na lang daw nila ng press. Hindi mainit na yun, makabas na.
Oo. Napangit na yun.
Back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter.
Niluwa lang eh.
Going to
Niluwa.
start the second. Cano. But there is a foul on number 21. Number 21, only his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for number 14.
Nag-ride sila ulit. Ano rin, hindi pa kami nakapagdala ulit eh. Panay ulan.
0 out of 2.
Panay ulan, hindi kami nakagala. Ulan ng ulan.
Sa amin siya magpapasko. Medyo mabibili, magbabalik.
Number 44. Playing point guard for Brothers. Fires. No. Rebound number 14. Nakakuha ni number 14. Quickly to go. Go. Raise it up. No. Sa layup. Here's number 44. Espera. Espera. Over to number 88. Back to Espera. Serafico. Rebound. Hano. Hano to Serafico. Serafico. But there is a foul on number 25, Kano.
25. First.
His first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 14, Serafico.
Di pa na napaggala dyan eh. Ulan kasi ng ulan eh. Baka ngayong ano, December.
Hindi ko alam kung paano mangyayari doon.
Makes the first.
Kasi walang motor.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam kung makakagalan. Wala akong dalang motor.
Sa Bicol?
Mute lang ito motor.
Good on the second, 2 out of 2 on that trip on the line for Serafico. Making the tally 26 to
Mga
21.
rent motorcycle
Lima
lang.
ang hinahabol ng 840.
Sa Bicol, yung sa Facebook ko, ganun pala.
Goal. 15 to
Ano lang,
shoot.
300 per day.
Chavez, 10 to shoot.
300 per day, 400 per day. Pero sagot mo yung gasolina.
Good shot. 26-23. Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol. With 8 minutes and 33. Number 88, Betia. Serafico, Betia. 13 to shoot. Rebound. 2 points for number 31. 28-23. Ibalik sa lima, kalamangan ng Brothers with 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Diak. Diak being bubbled. Same basketball. With 14 to shoot.
Rent ka na lang ng motorcycle.
14 to shoot. Roll. To number 14, Zaylale. Bad pass. Espera. Quickly to Betia. Betia. Bad pass. He recovered the loose ball. Betia. Number 21. Ball. Number 14. Number 3. Good basketball. 2 points. 28-25. Tatlo ulit ang labang. Just a 1 possession ball game. 7 minutes and 15 in the second. Espera. 13 to shoot. Serafico. What is he gonna do? Serafico nakawala. Rebound number 14. Nagaw. Serafico. Easy two. 13-25. 6 minutes and 51 remaining in the second. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nagawan. Good pass. 2 points for number 31. Credit the assist to Espera.
Nasa na pasa?
32-25.
1 point.
Pito na ang kalamangan ng Brothers.
Time out daw ito.
Ano? Bad pass. Two. Espera. Espera. Touchdown. 2
Time out.
points.
Ano to eh?
Timeout. Elite 40s. Official score is 32-25 in favor of Brothers with exactly 6 minutes remaining in our second quarter. Back to the ball game.
Yun o. Hindi yung vlogger natin ah.
Sir, sorry po sir.
Ito yung vlogger natin, oh. Yung vlogger natin, dapating na. Nakita ko kasi mga
Kano. Go. Pull up. Way on the mark. Espera. Espera, nagdadala ng bola. Binigay kay number 88. Espera, pumukol. Elbow. Eto na si Chavez. Binigay ko. Ball to Chavez. Bartoliaga, rather. Go. Same ball with 11 seconds to shoot. 11 on the shot clock. Play, 2 points for Chavez. 34-27, pito ang kalamangan ng Brothers. Espera with 15 to shoot. Betia. Ceramico pulls up. Rebound Cano. Quickly to Chavez. Chavez. Cano. Chavez. Same ball. Change players.
Palit. Bilis. Time out. Panthers. Hey, Brothers.
Brothers. Official score is 34-27 in favor of Brothers with 4 minutes and 51 seconds remaining in the second. Back to the ball game. That timeout was brought to you by Siga Cigarettes. Ang sigarilyo ng mga siga. Black ball. Garcia, 14 to shoot. Nobleza, 10 to shoot. Rebound Sapat. Second try, noted. Rebound number 36. Geronimo, sa ilalim. 2 points, Mahalak. 38-27. Number 19, or binigay number 19. Rebound, Andaya. Nakakuha ni Geronimo. Over to number 24. Easy layup for 2. 40-27. Labing katulad ko kinahabol ng Elite Bullies. With 3 minutes and 35 in the second. Garcia. Nobleza with 10 to shoot. Traveling violation. 1 step too many for Garcia. Turnover. Here's Montillano. Locked. Swat away. Same basketball with 19 to shoot. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Andaya. 14 to shoot. Surveys the floor is Andaya. Mahabat. 7 to shoot. Geronimo. Close the easy 2. Sapat. Sapat. Derecho. But there is a foul
Number
on number 2.
Second.
Mahabat.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 21, Sangkap. Cannot convert on the first is Sangkap. Second try. Is good. Splitting the charity. 1 out of 2. Official score is 40-28. A dozen-point lead for Brothers. Antaya bringing down the basketball. Binigay sa gitna. But there is a foul. Foul on number 40. Garcia.
First.
That is his first personal foul. Second team foul. 14 to shoot for Brothers. 14 to shoot. Andaya. Sa ilalim. Gandang pasa. But there is a foul on number 5.
Number 5. First.
That is his first personal foul. 13 foul. 2 free throws for number 36. Geronimo.
Laki din yun eh, no? Condition din yun.
Makes the first. Here is the second free throw for Geronimo. He does. Makes 2 free throws. 2 out of 2. 42-28. Nobleza. 2 minutes with 15 to shoot. Sangkap. Rebound Manaba. Montellano. Montellano away for 2. 44-28. A minute and 44. Naagaw, Manaba. Montellano. Sidestep beauty is good. Number 5 receives. Turner.
Time out, time out.
Timeout, Elite 40s. Official score is 46-28 in favor of Brothers with a minute and 20 in the second quarter.
Tumambak na. 18. Wala yung malaki kasi. Oh.
Back to the action.
Wala mo na kayo laro. Kasi last game na kayo eh. Panthers kalaban niya eh. Wala na yun.
Monday na.
Oo.
Yung pwede ko sa last game na.
There's a foul.
Yung Panthers kahit hindi kayo kompleto kaya nyo durugin. 19? 19?
2 free throws for number 36, Geronimo.
Tignan natin ulit. Sige, ito ka na. Sige. Si Santos. Sige, sige, sige. Santos, di ba? 19.
You're on the second. 47-28. Saka. 64 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. Nobleza. Saka. The defense. Montellano. 2 points.
Sobrang bilis. Papel ko na nanggal eh.
Garcia. Montellano. Montellano. Nobleza. Last 25 seconds. Rebound Santos. Garcia. Low for the team. One away. Santos.
Foul 24.
On number 24.
First.
That is his first personal foul.
Third.
13 foul.
Ayun yung nagpaligyan ng ano.
2 free throws for number 19, Santos.
Si Cristiano Brothers. Number 44.
One on his first free throw is Santos. Second one on the
Pag-entry
way.
daw tayo, pang number 8 na team.
In and out. Splitting the turn. He has 7 seconds. Andaya. Geronimo. But there is a foul.
Free throw, free throw!
Foul on number 5.
Second.
That is his second personal foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 36 Geronimo.
Sir, pahinga ka na dyan, sir. Number 21. Pahinga na kaya, pahinga. Pasok to yun to, ha.
Official score is 50 to 29 in favor of Brothers.
Ano, di mo na naalala eh. Lang, gano'n.
Yun, dali mo. $50-29, ilan yan? 21?
Back to the ball game start of the third quarter.
Tatlong laro pa rin sa West, di ba?
Oo, ganun pa din.
Sa Lunes, next week.
Ganun pa din sa Lunes. Hanggang Lunes na lang.
Tama yan dyan. Thursday semi. Finals Lunes next week.
Rebound by Yap. Yap. Chavez. Out the ball. Malakas. Rebound Chap. Oli to Valdez. Valdez. Back pedals. Lazarte. With 15 seconds on the shot clock. Valdez. Rebound. Yap. Go. Chavez. Yap. 14 to shoot. Cano. Chavez. Lazarte. To number 83. Levi. Goes on the ring for 2. 52-29. Go. Eye to eye with Ole. Go. Step back 3. Is way on the mark. Rebound Lazarte. Lead pass Valdez. Back pass. Turnover. Cano. Yap. What is he gonna do? Shoots. Basket for Yap. 52-31. Still in favor of Brothers. With 8 minutes and 25 in the third. Lazarte. 13 to shoot. Ano. Good steal. But there is a foul. Number 14.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Lazarte. Chap. Rebound Cano. Yap. Go. Out to Chavez. All alone. Chavez. Green. 52-34. 7 minutes and 39 in the third. Lazarte. 15 to shoot. He wants a man in the middle. Ole. Top of the key. Malakas ang tira ni Valdez. Rebound. Leo. Naagaw. Cano. Yap. Technique number 14. Chavez recovers. Yap. Miscue. Lazarte. Valdez is all down. 2 points. over Tacano, 13 to shoot. Air ball. Lazarte signaling the play. Chap receives, 10 to shoot. Ole Ole. Short jumper for Chap is good. 36-34. Number 14. Good defense. Lazarte. Valdiver. It is gone. Official score is 56-34 in favor of Brothers with 5 minutes and 59 seconds remaining in the third.
Tambak yun, no? Di mo tayo.
Back to the ball game.
Tatakbuhin mo na. Para di tayo mabot na sa 10.
Under 6 minutes remaining. 56-34.
Jay, para dyan sa ano? Sa Lunes.
Short for the
Ay, sa Lunes ka na Thursday. Ano na yan? Lagsak. Semi-finals.
From Rainbow.
Next week.
There's a foul, number 8, goal.
First.
That is his first personal foul.
Di pa alam.
Second team foul.
Di pa alam kung ano eh. Kung sino maglalaban ng semis. Kasi sa points kasi.
Gusto mo pa mabilisan yung ano, yung hindi ko naman score. Malaking tapos yung bigote. Sino? Tapos parang long hair.
Good on the second for Valdiver. Making our official score 57-34. Lazarte. Yes, sir. 59-34. But there's a foul on number 22, Valdiver.
First.
That is his first personal foul.
First team
Substitution, first team foul.
First. Ah, yan. Wala dito eh. Oo, yan yung team niya. Yung si Nils. Wala eh. Oh, malakas sa ilalim.
Chavez.
Malakas na mag-gol sa ilalim.
Yeah, with 15 issue. There's one. Bola.
Yan lang yung malakas din. Wala katulong eh.
Esquera. Turnover.
Wala katulong dyan. Mas malakas pa rin dyan si Gerson.
Goal.
Sa tubo.
Goal.
Ganda ng depensa na, nagdaglagan talaga.
Ay, laro pa yung Sevilla sa harap ko yan. 5 minutes up. Wala.
Sab lang. Oh, sige. Wala na rin yung timeout eh. Sab na lang, isa.
Sure.
May magsasab ha.
There's one. To shoot. Pano bola. Bendia. Serantico. 2 points.
Wala na kayo timeout.
Sab.
Substitution.
Sige.
Yan. Technical rep, 6 rep.
15 on the shot clock. Chavez, goal. There's a foul on number 21.
21. Oh.
Substitution.
Sub, sino mo isa-sub nyo?
Sige na, tapusin nyo na.
Ayaw mo pa sub?
$62-35, 2 minutes and 39 in the third. Siafico, number 31. Betia. Rebound, Sakta. Go. Derecho. Green ball.
Grabe, may laro yan. Sabi niya pangarap, may laro yan nila doon. Bakbakan din.
15 to shoot.
Kasi nag-laro yan.
Malakas. But there is a
27.
loose ball foul on number
27.
21,
Ay.
Sakap.
21 pala. Sorry. First.
That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Betia! 65-35. Tano. Chavez, derecho. Gets the 2 points to go. 65-37. 1 minute and 20. Betia, 14 to shoot. Set up we go. What a play! National pass for Ceramico, 2 points. For number 21. Arroba. Under a minute. Espera. What a play! 45 seconds remaining. Bad pass. Espera is gone for 2. 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Malakas.
Stop mo na. Stop mo.
Last 7 seconds. 5. Ganda pasa. No. And in the third quarter, official score is 69-37 in favor of Brothers.
Magkakagulo to last game. Sa Lunes. Kasi ito, ang hindi pa nila nakalabang ng dalawang team na wala pang panalo, yung Shots tsaka Panthers. So, Shots tsaka Panthers. Oh, dudurugin na yun kaya maghahabol ng ano to, caution. Kakagulo pa yan.
Back to the ball game, start of the fourth quarter.
Kakagulo pa yan. Ito, malalaglag ko to. Wala na yan. Ang natitira lang laban nila, Churba. Tsaka, oo, hirap sila doon. Tsaka Motolite. Dudurugin siya.
Garcia to start the fourth. De Guzman. Short. Rebounds up top. 2 points. 69-39. 13 big point lead for Team Brothers. Sa ilalim. Emmanuel swatting away. points. 69-41. Mahaba. Number 24. Mahaba. Nakawala. 2 points. 71-41. Next one. Santos being pressured. Sangkap. Ilalim. Wait. No. Andaya. Lead pass to Montellano. Yes, sir. 73-41. Turnover. Montellano.
Kinabahan? Sabahan.
Garcia. 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 Sayalem. Santos. Yes, sir. 73-43. Ito na si Mangabat. Andaya. So deep to shoot. In and out. For Montellano. Garcia. Andaya. Satin. Heronimo. Lagat. Satin. 2 points for number 2, Mahaba. 75-43. Santos receives. De Guzman, en derecho. Andaya with the rebound. Montellano escapes with an easy 2 points. 77-43. Garcia. Garcia. Garcia sa ilalim. Sangkap. But there is a foul
Foul.
on number 92.
Third.
Andaya, that is his third personal foul. Substitution. First team foul.
First.
2 free throws for number 21, Sangkap. No good on the second. 77-44 on the official tally. Andaya. Samit. No. Geronimo is fouled downstairs. On number 21, Sangkap.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for number 36, Geronimo. No good on the second. Number 5, Derecho, close the layup. Sabine, Geronimo, 2 points. 77-44. Under 6 minutes, Santos, way off the mark. Rebound number 5. No good. The rebound, Sabine. Serafico. Serafico. Mahaba, 2 points. No! Rebound, Geronimo. Wala pa rin. Same ball.
Up.
Substitution. Substitution.
Ba't nyo nilabas yan? Best player ko yan eh. Pasok ulit. Ay kuya, pasok ka. Tapos sumot ka pa ng mga 4. Eh, best player kita, dali.
Gerván de Mamadali. Garcia stops on the line.
Sumunod ka ng fast break niya ba?
Gerban?
Oo.
No. The rebound sa team. Over to Serapio. Sa ilalim. Geronimo goes to win. Second shot.
Sub.
Substitution.
21. Third.
Number 21, that is his third personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for number 36 Geronimo.
Pag nag-buzzer, i-stop mo agad ha, para hindi na maingay alas 10 ha.
Go to the second for Geronimo. 81-44. Substitution.
Buwasak pala.
Ayun, natakbo doon itong ortarim yan. Shot lock.
Sangkap. Sangkap muscles his way. Ole. Serafico. Reverse layup 2 points. 83-44 with 4 minutes and 17. Same ball with 19 to shoot. Garcia, number 2. 83-46. Under 4 minutes. Shot. Loader. Two points. Go.
Papasabit niya pa ha.
Serafico. Sa ilalim, mag-isa lang, number 83. He blows the layup.
First.
Foul on number 83, that is his first personal foul, second team foul. Garcia. Rebound. Gerban. But there is a foul on number 83. That is his second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for number 14, Gerban.
Di ba na naglaro si Galbo sa Titans na yan?
Partida.
Rebound Gerban. Blocked.
Bungawa.
Serafico. 2 points. Garcia. That's the hero. Here is Garcia.
Naghahabol yan ng Ocean. Naghahabol sila ng Ocean.
89-40.
Kaya kailangan niya na home-score ng home-score.
Sila? Hindi, tatlo naman kami nata marami.
Tatlo nga.
Lazardo.
Kaya naghahabol sila ng Ocean.
Pangatlo.
Last 2 minutes. John. 2 points. Stepping on the line. To shoot. Garcia, 10 to shoot. Good pass. 2 points.
Time out tayo. Time out.
Time out.
Brothers.
Official score is 91-50 in favor of Brothers with 1 minute and 31
Ilan na yan?
remaining in the
41 na
ballgame.
yan, no? Malaki-laki na yan. 41 plus meron pa matitirang shots tsaka Panthers. diba? Baka yun pa yung mag-ano mag-aagawan pa kayo sa akin yun Ay di, may dalawang panalo sila eh. So possible mag-second place sila. Ha?
But there's a foul on number 14. Derban. Lazarte. Kick out. Serafico. Serafico. Free. 94-50. But there's a foul on number 88, Vitia.
First.
That is his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Back-to-back fouls for number 88,
Penalty.
Vitia. That is his second personal foul. Penalty. Two free throws awarded to number 14, Gaban.
Mga tropa pala yan sila
Rebound, Lazarte. Serafico. Malakas. Guzman. Cha. Lays it up in. 96-50. Tago ni Santos. Santos, 14 to shoot. Sabo.
Nalalagdag na ito. Standing nila 2-2 ngayon, magiging 2-3. Minus 9 pa pati sila. Plus ngayon, yan pa. Bigat niyan. Kasi kailangan mo pa churba. Tsaka motolight. Ang inang yan.
Garcia nakawala. Garcia scores 96-52. Last 17 seconds. Lazarte. Last 10 seconds. Ole. Serafico. Last 5 seconds.
Para hindi mag-buzzer. Alas 10 sila.
End of the ball game. Official score is 96-52, and your winner, Brothers.
Please stop ko! Maingay!